What's going on, guys? Quick update of the E30. We're taking the entire interior out to get ready for a roll cage. Up against mine. Okay. Well, that's a Heatercore, dude. I know there's gonna be fluid in there.
I know, so that's why I'm trying to hit around it. There's so many sharp bits of metal in here.
You want me to clean out that side of the car?
Like
get out of there. I'll clean it up. Oh my god, there's so many little bits. Alright, now be careful when we're ripping and tearing out the wires on the passenger side because there's a lot of ECU wires and stuff.
Yeah, because you could mount right up here, have your ECU right there instead.
Yeah. I don't want it to look like a shitty interior. So I don't want to like cut the dash all up and it looks like hell. My god.
I know. How the fuck does this go out there?
So this whole thing can't come out in one piece?
Dude, it's like the longest job you've never worked.
We'll divide and conquer. We'll take all this, wrap it around on this side. Oh my god!
We almost had a bad day.
Don't hit my windshield again, please, for the love of God. Hey, it made taking the glass out a lot easier.
No, those aren't wire cutters.
Oh, they're fucking...
It's a fucking rod.
Put it in the trash pile. Gonzo. Wiring is just from the AM wideband in the radio.
Yes, it is! Jesus. What is that? Oh, that's the evaporator.
It's not a sealed system once you take the AC out. But if it is, we're all gonna fucking die.
I'm breathing so much AC. 134A from the walls.
Yeah, I can tell.
Dude, no. Don't you worry, I'm just trying to free this out.
Hey, well, it worked. Sorry I said anything. Definitely hooked up. Why do I let you do the things you do? Watch my ACL. Yeah, so guys, after this video, we're going to be selling a lot of the parts that we're taking out. And just comment below if you guys want anything. Right where the other one is. The lines are looped. Well, you have to loop the lines back here, but they're plugged into the firewall, so we're gonna have to take those out. Yeah. Here we go. So now we're gonna rotate this, and we're gonna be able to plug it into the other line, and it will loop my cooling system. There, it's done. Lines are looped. I went in for a cookie break. Ian managed to take out the entire blower motor assembly. Yeah, buddy. He made me this. Well, he didn't make this, but he painted me a nice cover. Because it used to be black and used to have all this gross goo stuff on it. But now it matches my engine bay, and it looks pretty neat. Thanks, Ian.
Love you. The best thing you can do is just repin it all the way back. ABS module is right over there.
The ground. It's a Torx. Fuck it.
Yeah, don't need it.
Or it's a ground to the main harness that I just cut.
Nice.
I should probably think.
Ow, fucking lord!
No,
that
everything's sharp as hell in this.
Fuck, dude, remove your goddamn door locks. You do not need those.
Stop. Leave it.
I'm
Just because it hurt you doesn't mean it
doesn't need to be there. Fuck. The bleeding. Not really, but it hurts like a bastard.
Oh.
Half a pound of copper gone. Cut all those ABS wires. Yeah, those don't have any power or anything going to them. It's like watching a surgeon at work.
Yep. Gone. Well, sort of gone. Gone. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take zip ties and we're gonna basically tie these together every 6-ish inches. That way it'll be cleaner and easier to deal with.
And you're like, yeah, let me just drive this car to the track like this.
Dude, I will.
In the middle of the winter.
Oh, I'm driving to Phil's.
You are?
Yeah. Because he said I can leave the glass in, so I'm like, why not? I don't have to track down a trailer because I don't have one yet.
Can I drive your Tahoe and film you from behind with a GoPro
yeah,
in the Tahoe dash?
When I get pulled over.
Yeah.
These go to something, I'm sure. Definitely goes in here. This is a short one.
Or does that go to the OBC or something? No, that goes on there somewhere. I've seen that plug before.
Alright, let's drift.
Okay, we all plugged in? You got this other harness plugged in?
This harness is not plugged in.
I don't think it'll start.
What about this?
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is either. Whatever, let's plug it in.
I don't think it'll start. Let's see. 6-button OBC. Can the car start without you? Oh.
I think it needs to be tightened down. Yeah, it won't. It would start.
But let's, all right, let me tighten her down. All right, there we go. Should be tight.
Hey, it's powering on now, so that's good. I'm gonna run the car really all season.
Just be like, careful when you get in and out. Don't trip on the wires.
Careful, guys. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, it would start right up.
I think it's just cold. We have power!
Yeah, it's just warming up right now, so it's gonna run a little bit rich.
Beautiful! Alright, shut her down.
Before we
Die of carbon monoxide.
So, all we need to do now is tie up everything.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna leave you to it, but I think this is a pretty good stopping place for day 2 of the dash delete.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. It looks better. Now
Way
we
better.
Need to make it look legit, like all set.
We got all this trash in here, we got trash over there, we got trash over there. Look at all that trash. That is a lot of trash.
Yeah.
Look at all this trash.
Hey, easy.
M30.
M30. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below if there's something we messed up, which we probably did, or there's something else you want to see. But yeah.
Share us your Netflix login.
Yeah, don't do that. See ya.
Thanks.